Hi guys! Ang lulutuin natin for today ay chili con egg. So, yung ingredients natin, yung ating siling haba, yung ating itlog, hard-boiled egg, onion chopped, garlic minced, flour, black pepper, salt, carrots chopped, egg. Then for the garnish, we have tomato and lettuce. So, paggawa ng ating chili con egg, yung ating siling haba, slice natin in the middle, and then tinanggal na natin yung ating mga buto ng sili. So, na-clean up na siya. Then, gagawin natin for the egg, hard-boiled egg. Isa-slice na natin siya. Then, next, yung ating mixing. So, i-mix na natin yung ating carrots. So, 1 piece carrots lang yung gagamitin natin. 3 pieces of eggs. Then, yung ating eggs. Then, nilagay na natin yung ating salt. So, at least 1 tablespoon of salt. Then, yung ating black pepper. Then, yung ating garlic. Onion. So, mix na natin. So, pagka-mixed well na yung ating ingredients, pwede na natin siyang ilagay sa loob ng sili. Make sure malinis yung kamay nyo before kayo maghawak sa food. So, ito na yung magiging itsura ng ating chili con carne. So, raw pa to ito. So, gumawa tayo ng coating ng ating chili con carne, which is made of flour and egg. And then, in-add natin ng black pepper for the taste and salt. So, after coating it, preheat natin yung ating pan. So, pwede na natin ilagay yung ating chili con carne. Like this. luto ng ating chili con carne. So, gagawin naman natin next is yung ating plating with the lettuce and tomato. So, ginarnish na natin yung ating tomato and yung ating lettuce. So, ito na ang ating chili con carne. Enjoy, guys!